Hey guys, welcome back to the VIP Financial Ed channel. We've got a full day of recording here with Mr. Michael Mathe from Little Pink Houses of America. If you haven't seen the other videos that we've shot with Michael, we'll put them in the description below. You got to check those out. Guys, this is one of the single best opportunities in real estate that I've identified right now in this current climate and can prepare you for the potential downturn. And in order to prove that, we're going to bring in a real life example of somebody using the Little Pink Houses of America system as an associate, somebody who's actually paid to get involved. And we want to find out what their experience has been. I want to ask directly. So let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, guys. So the time has come to ask a few questions of a real life Little Pink Houses of America customer, an active associate with the firm who is out there doing deals and making things happen. And I just wanted to hear it straight from the horse's mouth, Kyle, and I appreciate you taking the time to join us on the channel. Full disclosure, everybody, this is not an active VIP Financial Ed YouTube audience member. This is a live, active client of Little Pink Houses. So this is the first time that Kyle and I have actually interacted. In fact, we pretty much spoke for about 30 seconds before this. And so it's great to meet you virtually here. Kyle, thanks for joining us on video. We really appreciate you. So we've got an audience on YouTube of almost 150,000 subscribers at this point. We expect thousands of people to listen to your experience. And I just want you to be as candid with us as you can and kind of explain how things have gone. I want to start things off by finding out how you first came across Little Pink Houses. How were you first introduced?
Well, I met Scott, which is one of the owners of Little Pink Houses of America.
Yep.
Probably 5 years ago, in another real estate arena.
Okay.
So we became friends there, and I've kind of had him as a mentor for probably the last 5 or 6 years.
Wow, great.
Even before Little Pink House of America. So obviously, when he created Little Pink House of America, I mean, I was on board and been using his methods ever since.
That's awesome. And how many hours do you think you average every week for this project?
I mean, it varies week to week. I probably spend half my time doing Little Pink House of America or so. Probably, 20 hours a week.
That's great.
Probably about what I spend. If it just kind of depends on the week.
So you mentioned once you met Scott and you started to learn a little more about the concept that you were all in, that it was something you sort of dove into. Were there any trepidations? Did you have any initial hesitation or reluctancy? Walk me through that experience of making a significant investment into something, into starting a business. What was that like for you?
That's always a little scary there. When you put out the money and then you gotta make the deal happen to pay for that.
100%.
But I mean the good thing about this system that I like, you're controlling as much real estate as you want, without having any bank money or anything like that. And then it makes it a lot easier to control a lot of real estate than you could if you were just trying to do everything through the bank.
Right, because you're not putting your own cash in, you're not using your own credit. So
right.
There's a lot of appeal to that, I imagine.
That's right.
How many deals have you done?
I've probably done, 50 something or so in the last several years.
That's amazing. Good for you. What was your favorite? You have one or two deals that just stand out to you that you're most proud of?
Probably one of the best ones that I've done. It was a $750,000 house, which Scott and Mike always make fun of me in Mississippi. They didn't realize Mississippi had that price range.
I don't think I knew that either.
But that was a deal there where the purchase price was $750. The buyer had a $50,000 down payment, and then they were willing to pay $5,000 a month lease fee, and then also a $3,000 a month principal pay down. So every month that they paid the extra $3,000, they were paying down the balance of what they owed. Out of that particular deal, I carved $25,000 for me out of the initial down payment, and then I collected $1,000 a month for the next 36 months out of the monthly payment on that.
Wow, good for you. So north of $60,000 you made on that deal, huh?
Right.
Wow, good for you. So how's it all feel? You look back on it and you never regretted the decision, it sounds like to me. I mean, you're 50 deals deep.
No doubt. I mean, I've never regretted any of it. I mean, the beauty about it is, I mean, it's flexible. I mean, I can do other things. I'm not stuck in office 8 to 5 every day. I mean, I can go to my kids' practices. I mean, that's the beauty that I like about this. You're not stuck in an office all the time.
Yeah, no question about it. Yeah, the freedom is probably extremely enticing. So you think it's a fair conclusion or assumption for me to make that you feel comfortable and excited about referring this to people you know and love then, huh?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Are you married?
I am.
And is your wife participating in this?
No, she's got her own career that she does. So she doesn't participate.
How does she feel when you decided to get involved? Was she terrified?
No, she's always been very supportive of what I like to do.
Okay, good. And you've always been in real estate? You have a background in real estate?
I've been doing real estate since the mid-90s, but I had a JOB for most of that time.
Okay.
I've been doing real estate full-time since 2012.
Wow, that's awesome. And what is it that you like about this compared to other opportunities in real estate?
Well, I mean, the biggest thing that I like about it, like that $750,000 house, I mean, I didn't have to go to the bank to buy that. I mean,
so it's really the perks regarding not requiring as many resources to get involved and make good money.
I mean, I could have never done that deal if I had to go to the bank and buy that. I mean,
right.
You couldn't make the numbers work.
Right.
On that.
All right. Well, I don't have a lot more to ask you. I just appreciate you taking the time so much to share with our audience what your firsthand experience has been like. Do you have anything else you wanted to add about your experience with it?
Well, the one thing that I really like about, I mean, the support has been great.
Has it?
And then I always like to go once or twice a year and be involved in the corporate training. Even if they're doing the introductory training, they're always coming up with different stuff, or it's a good refresher. I mean, and because I forget sometimes what I'm supposed to be doing.
Yeah, right.
It's always a good refresher to go to some of their corporate training that they do also.
And you feel like they've gone above and beyond in terms of their service and the customer service, and it sounds like the support in general is one of the big benefits of having the experts standing next to you. So you feel like you've always been supported.
Absolutely, and the lead support that you can get through them is great also. I mean, I've had other people calling and trying to get leads for me, and it hasn't been near as good as what Crystal and her team can do there at Little Pink.
That's awesome. Well, I appreciate you so much, Kyle. You took time out of your day. Guys, we tried to connect with Kyle about 30 minutes ago, and we just weren't getting reception, and he was gracious enough to actually get into a place where his Wi-Fi was better for everybody so they could to listen to his story. So you really went out of your way voluntarily, and we couldn't thank you enough. So I appreciate you.
Yeah, thanks so much, Kyle.
Okay, thank you all.
Take care, friend.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. All right, guys. So there you have it. We've got a first-hand participant in, pig houses, and that's fantastic. I mean, I think the more that we can showcase that, the better. I'm going to continue to request these visits from Michael and his team. In order for us to know that this is important to you guys, you're going to have to let us know by throwing a thumbs up on the video. Please, it lets us know, it lets YouTube know that that this is the type of content you want to see here on the channel. I like to give you living proof. To me, that speaks more about what this is than anything that he and I have done together to this point. And we're going to do another one of these today. We've got it lined up already. She's actually in Japan on the other side of the world and is nice enough to actually get up at the wee dawn hours of the morning to jump on video and share her experience with this. So guys, this isn't just pie in the sky. This isn't fluff. This isn't a hypothesis anymore. We're actually seeing living proof. So in order to get more content like this, make sure you're a subscriber to the channel. And of course, if you're ready to dive in, number one, watch the videos all linked below that we've done prior to this regarding pink houses, exactly what it is and what he's even talking about here. And number two, you've got to send an email to pink@vipfinancialeducation.com. In the subject line, please put pink houses. In the body of the email, make sure you include both first and last names along with your preferred contact phone number, direct phone number, so that Michael and his team can reach out, answer additional questions for you, and hopefully make you guys 50 deals wealthier. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Until then, make it a great day and take care.